Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple mod for your E90 BMW. So for my regular viewers, this car is no longer my daily driver. This is my daily driver, a 2020 M340i. So suffice it to say, I've gotten used to this infotainment and the speed at which I can get stuff done. My E90 is running standard CCC iDrive, but I do have an Android head unit, which is really awesome. I do use it on long trips and whatnot, but when you just jump in the car and you want to go and put in a navigation address and whatnot, I find that it still takes a little bit longer than I would like with this system if I'm just going to work or going somewhere random that I don't know, and I just tend to use my cell phone. I tend to stick my cell phone right there and just try to follow it for directions, but now that the car is manual and I drive a little bit more aggressive, it's not convenient to be located there. So that's the reason for this video. I'm putting a mount on my car. I've seen other solutions which mount down here, which aren't bad, but they seem to be out of line of sight. The solution I want to install today will just go right here. So I'll show you guys how to install that today. It goes for about $24. You should be able to just pull your trim forward by hand, like so. And then when you can get behind this, just stick it forward. Disconnect the two plugs on the back. We can insert that back into place. The way you install this is you take this piece, and you insert it over, and on the side there's Allen set screws, and the Allen key is included. As you can see, it's just going to tuck from behind. From the looks of it, you won't be running them all the way down. It will still move a little bit loose, but it can't come forward. And once you clip it into place, it'll fine-tune its position and be securely mounted. So we'll just click this into place now. There you go. You can still access your controls here. That's how it looks installed in the car. It doesn't interfere with your display or any of your controls, and you'll probably be mounting your phone horizontally. The kit ships with some metal plates to stick on the back of your phone. Make sure the back of your phone is clean. I'm going to use one of the supplied metal plates that come with the kit. There's two. Be conscious of the fact that if you have wireless charging, this could interfere, but I'll just use another case if I care to use wireless charging. Easy enough, I stuck that on. Okay, got it installed. It just pulls into place and is very strong. That's not going nowhere. It takes a decent amount of effort to get it off. You don't have to think about it, it just self-centers. I'll probably run it like this in navigation mode. But that's much closer to line of sight. And you will block your temperature controls potentially, so you may have to just turn it. But otherwise, when you don't have your phone mounted, you can see what's going on. I'm sure a lot of you guys would just like to run it like that even. You can almost just throw it at the mount and not even think about it. There you go, a nice simple solution. I only drive this car maybe once a week, and I just want something really quick and easy and native feeling. I've gotten used to modern infotainment, and even with my Android head unit, sometimes I just find that it's not fast enough for me. This will be the easiest way to go about it. Some of you guys may be familiar with the other solution that mounts down there. I wanted to show you an alternative. And typically I wouldn't make a video like this. You guys are looking for my opinion from what I can understand. You want me to cover videos that have already been covered just to give you my review and my opinion. And in my opinion, this is a nice solution. It's relatively cheap and easy to install, and will just make life a little easier for you, especially if you're on your factory navigation or you don't have any infotainment at all. You can buy this for $24. The link will be in the description. If this is the first video you're catching of mine, please consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching.